Hi there, my lovely friends, and welcome back. I hope you're all taking great care and doing well. So, as you all know, it's already summertime, and I wanted to paint oranges. And the best part about oranges is that जितना आपको उसे खाने का मन करता है समर में, उतना ही उसे बना के एकदम मूड रिफ्रेश हो जाता है. पर उसकी राइट इंस्पिरेशन नहीं है मेरे पास और घर पर भी ऑरेंजेस खत्म हैं. सो पहले लेट्स क्विकली गो टू द मार्केट, बाय देम एंड देन वील पेंट देम लेटर. सो लेट्स गो. और ये हर दिन की स्टोरी है. मेरा बैग जब भी रेडी होता है तो यम्मी को तो आना ही होता है. शी ऑलवेज गेट्स एक्साइटेड एंड ऑफ कोर्स इतना क्यूट फेस देख के कौन मना कर सकता है. सो आई ऑलवेज गेट सोल्ड. सो या वी हैव रीच्ड हियर. सो जल्दी से मैं ऑरेंजेस वगैरह खरीद लेती हूँ और सीधे मिलती हूँ आपको स्टूडियो में. Alright, so now I'm back in my studio and I already had one orange और इस orange से मैं थोड़ा सा notice कर रही हूँ कि exactly orange कैसे दिखते हैं. उनकी basic detailing सीखने में बहुत easy रहता है if you have the real inspiration in front of you. So before working on the main canvas, मैंने एक rough draft बनाया just to have the right proportions, and this will also help me understand how my painting would look later exactly. And here I took this oval canvas today. I so wanted to paint on it from a very long time, and I thought this would look really pretty on an oval canvas. But of course you can go ahead and paint it on a square, rectangle, any kind of shape that you want, and just go ahead and enjoy painting it. So I first drew the basic outline first by looking at the inspirational image. So if in case you also want to get the traceable and learn this painting in detail, so you can join me on my Patreon and also get access to all the previous classes that are already present there. So you can go and check that out. Here in stage 1, our main aim is to first add colors just for creating the base actually. And once it is done, then you can just layer it up, and basically it's going to be more about, a lot of layering. The main aim here is to add the 3D effect and make them appear circular. So all you need to do is just work in layers and build it up progressively. And as it is summertime, so the colors also dry very quickly. So in order to just keep them, a little moist, you can always use a moist flat brush or any brush that you're using to color it. And also add few drops of water to your color mix so that the color is moist and you can just help in just mixing and blending the color there. Always add some water to our color mix, and that will really help us in coloring and mixing the colors. So the most important effect in this painting would be just to add the right amount of depth and highlights on the top. This step would just give it an illusion of reflection of light on the top, and our oranges start appearing much more realistic. So I tried building these oranges by following the same technique, and it was so much fun because you just have to get the first one right, and then you get the basic idea of how the beautiful illusion of that 3D-ness, of that beautiful reflection of light, the highlight and the protruding areas would look like. So once you do the first one, I think then the other ones become really easy and simple. So just go ahead and enjoy the process and see how they looked at the end. Similarly for leaves, first just add the base color and let it dry completely, and then on the second step just add those twists and turns, those beautiful reflection of lights on the top later. While creating the background, I struggled a lot because I wanted that specific kind of background that was in my mind, but I wasn't able to, get the kind of effect. So I tried again and again and again. So I'm trying my best to get the right kind of background, and once I got it, I'll just let it dry completely and then I varnished it. And this is the final look. This painting is also available for sale on my art store. You can check out the link in the description box below. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Bye.